We had launched teams before this happened, and this is a core manufacturing heavy vehicle industry, which probably would have done very well without teams and remote working. But then, the whole penchant to move into a better technological realm in the organization made it happen that we launched it. And what a blessing it was when this hit us. I think everybody started working. I believe in all my years of working, I think I did most amount of work during that period, right? Right from organization restructuring, where you're not meeting people, to setting up your processes. We were going in for the BS6 changeover in emission norms, and the whole BS6 training happened virtually, and we looked at so many ways in which we could actually create some kind of a real-time environment, so to speak, of knowing what the engines look like and how the machines are going to work and things like that, which I believe we would never have done had it been a normal situation. Look at the normal conventional way of putting everybody into the classroom, trying to make them learn, or do a little bit of technology, but mostly in person. So, and we also got the undivided attention of people during this time to actually learn the technology, which is very, very important for us, and which would have made all the difference to us.